These bolts are really in here. This is one of those times when I wish I had a real automotive impact gun so I could just bounce these right out. So I had to muscle all 4 bolts out of there. I have an impact gun, but this impact gun isn't really good for taking out high torque bolts. This little shaft on here will break that adapts the sockets to the drill motor, the impact gun. This is left over from my sheet metal days. These are awesome if you're putting in sheet metal screws or you're torquing 9/16 bolts in the corner of ductmate flanges all day long. These are great for that, but they definitely won't remove bolts till they get pretty loose. I wish I had a regular automotive impact gun, but I don't. The other tool I'm going to use left over from my sheet metal days is this drift pin, and it's wrapped in clean room tape. So if you ever see a drift pin wrapped in clean room tape, it belonged to a sheet metal worker more than likely. And I'm going to use this. I'm going to put this in one hole to stop that steering box from falling after I get the last bolt out.